Okay, good morning, student. Once again, today we will be discussing about the management of kidney tumor, and with this management, we will be completing our today's class. And the chapter of this chapter or the unit of tumor of kidney will be over with this management. Okay. First of all, we will be discussing about the management. So the first management of tumor of kidney will be the surgery. The first management is the surgery. And the other one is the nephrectomy. Now you can write it down, this one, nephrectomy. That means nephrectomy is the name of the operation that is done to remove the kidney. Means if the tumor occur in the kidney, understand, then the kidney is totally removed, and that process is known as a nephrectomy. You can just write it down, this later on I might ask. Okay, that was the second point. Then under this nephrectomy, what we find, the number one, we find there is a radical nephrectomy. So as you know that nephrectomy means it is the operation that is done in order to remove the kidney. So let us discuss about the radical nephrectomy. The surgeon, they will remove the entire kidney along with the adrenal gland and some tissues around the kidney, and also some lymph nodes that are present in the area near the kidney. So this is the process of radical nephrectomy. रेडिकल नेफ्रेक्टोमी क्या है, मैं हिंदी में एक बार एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. रेडिकल नेफ्रेक्टोमी ये ऐसा टाइप का सर्जरी है जो हमारा किडनी को रिमूव करते हैं. हमारा जो एंटायर किडनी को, पूरा किडनी को रिमूव करते हैं. उस किडनी रिमूव करने के साथ साथ एड्रिनल ग्लैंड और या फिर जो सम टिश्यूज that are present, जो हम किडनी का पास में सराउंडिंग में जो प्रेजेंट है सम टिश्यू, all those are removed along with the kidney. And also कुछ कुछ जो lymph nodes है ना, that are also present near the or around the kidney, those are also removed, and that process is known as radical nephrectomy. Do you understand what is radical nephrectomy? Yes or no? If no, I will explain again. Radical
Explain.
nephrectomy, you understand? Yes or no? If no, I'll explain again. You just need to
No,
respond.
no.
No. Shall I explain again?
Yeah.
Shall I
Yes,
explain again? Okay, okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nephrectomy का मतलब है, it is the operation to remove the kidney. And radical nephrectomy का मतलब है कि the surgeon, that is the doctor, those who are surgeon, they will remove the entire kidney. They will remove the entire kidney along with the adrenal gland and some other tissues that are present around the kidney, near the kidney. And also, not only some tissues around the kidney, and also some of the lymph nodes that are present near the kidney, that is around the kidney. That is the process of radical nephrectomy. तो radical nephrectomy क्या है? ये डॉक्टर या सर्जन किडनी को रिमूव करता है. किडनी रिमूव करने के साथ साथ किडनी का पास में जो जो टिश्यू है या फिर जो जो लिम्फ नोड है, एंड विद एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, ऑल दिस आर आल्सो रिमूव. तो समझ में आया? सिर्फ किडनी रिमूव नहीं होगा, उसका साथ साथ एड्रिनल ग्लैंड या फिर सम टिश्यूज या फिर कुछ लिम्फ नोड दैट आर प्रेजेंट अराउंड द किडनी, वो सब भी रिमूव होगा. तो उसको बोलते हैं रेडिकल नेफ्रेक्टोमी. आर यू क्लियर नाउ? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay. Please listen carefully. I will be asking at last. And today, how much we will be discussing is not much because it's only the management part today. So whatever I have explained each point, you just listen carefully. Okay, coming to the next one is the simple nephrectomy. All these are coming under the nephrectomy, okay? Like the types of nephrectomy. One is the simple nephrectomy. In simple nephrectomy, what does the surgeon or the doctor do? The doctor will remove only the kidney. Now you understand. In radical nephrectomy, उसमें क्या करती थी? किडनी को रिमूव करता है, उसके साथ साथ along with the adrenal gland and also some of the tissue or the lymph node that are present around the kidney, वो सब भी रिमूव करेगा. लेकिन ये सिंपल नेफ्रेक्टोमी में क्या रिमूव करेगा? सिर्फ किडनी को रिमूव करेगा. The surgeon will remove only the kidney. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next is the partial nephrectomy. There are only three, okay? So all these 3 points, you memorize it nicely. Partial nephrectomy. Here, what will the surgeon or the doctor do in this surgery? The surgeon will remove only the part of the kidney that contain the tumor. A person with a small kidney tumor may have this type of surgery. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि the surgeon will remove only the part of the kidney that contain the tumor. Means like here the entire kidney will not be removed. There's a in a kidney, okay, in the part of the kidney, in your kidney, in one particular part tumor occur. Only that tumor part, that part will be removed. That is known as partial nephrectomy. Means थोड़ा सा पार्ट रिमूव करेगा, या किडनी का थोड़ा सा पार्ट रिमूव करेगा जहां पे ट्यूमर है, सिर्फ वो पार्ट, पूरा एंटायर किडनी को रिमूव नहीं करेगा. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज पार्शियल नेफ्रेक्टोमी. और ये पार्शियल नेफ्रेक्टोमी का जो सर्जरी है कौन लोग ज्यादा करता है? ए पर्सन विद ए स्मॉल किडनी ट्यूमर मे हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ सर्जरी. दैट मीन्स a person na, or a patient, those who have tumor but their tumor is very small, so the tumor that occur in their kidney is very small, so those kind of patient or those kind of person undergo this type of surgery. That the name of that surgery is partial nephrectomy. समझ में आया? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, 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 let me ask now. Virginia, what is nephrectomy? Virginia,
Yes, ma'am.
what is nephrectomy?
Is the operation to remove the kidney?
To remove the kidney.
Kidney.
Okay, okay, good, good. Okay. Girija is present. Is Girija present? Is Shelly present? Shelly? Is Shelly present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shelly, tell me what is a radical nephrectomy. Just tell me. I explain very simple. What is radical nephrectomy? Hurry up.
To remove the entire kidney along with the adrenal gland with some tissues and lymph nodes surrounding near the kidney.
Yes, yes, very good, Shelly. Okay, okay. Srijana, can you please explain the next one? What is simple nephrectomy?
Ma'am, it is a surgery in which only the kidney is removed.
Only the kidney is
Removed.
kidney is
Removed.
okay, 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 good, good. Next, to whom I will ask? Ishan, are you there? Ishan, explain me what is partial nephrectomy. Ishan, explain me what is partial nephrectomy. If you can't, Rudolph will explain. Yes, yes, speak loudly.
Only a part of a kidney is removed, in which the tumor
occur. Okay, okay, very good, Ishan, very good. Okay, always be attentive like this. Okay, okay, done. Now let's move on. Next is number 2. That what we discussed was now. It is supposed to be number 3. Okay, okay, no problem. Number 1 was surgery. Number 2 was nephrectomy. Under nephrectomy, we have seen all these three subtypes. And the next is we will be studying about the arterial embolization. Now let us see what is arterial embolization. Arterial embolization, it is a type of local therapy that shrink the tumor when surgery is not possible. Embolization may be used to help relieve the symptoms of kidney. So arterial embolization means what? It is, do you know what is the meaning of shrink? Shrink. Do you know what is shrink? Here it is mentioned that arterial embolization, it is a type of local therapy that will shrink the tumor. Tumor is there, पर tumor को shrink करेगा बोला. तो तुम लोगों को जानना पड़ेगा ये shrink क्या है. ट्यूमर जो ट्यूमर था ना किडनी का ऊपर में जो ट्यूमर था उसको shrink करेगा. तो what is shrink? Shrink. सूरजीत, shrink क्या है? I'm not asking you the like exact time you need to say. According to your understanding, you can just say. तुम लोगों का हिसाब से आंसर क्या है? Like
Don't
बोलो string.
don't know.
Okay. String. Srijana, you have any idea what is string?
Ma'am, to reduce.
Yes, very good. To reduce. Reduce. String means like you will means suppose the size of the tumor was 8 millimeter. Okay, it was already 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter, that is 8 mm. So if you use this means arterial embolization like therapy or method, then what happened is that that tumor which was already 8 millimeter ना, it will shrink it will make the size smaller, means make smaller. उसका जो ट्यूमर का साइज है ना छोटा करवा देता है तो उसको बोलते हैं shrink. Note it down. You can just write it make smaller in size or amount. You can just write down this the meaning so that you won't forget in future. Shrink का मतलब लिखो make smaller in size or amount. Finish. Make smaller in size.
Yes,
Okay. So now let us discuss. Now you know the meaning, so now we can discuss it very nicely. Arterial embolization, it is a type of local therapy that will shrink the tumor. That means this therapy will make the size of the tumor smaller. And when surgery is not possible, that means when surgery, if a person have tumor, okay, like, but he can't undergo surgery. So when surgery is not possible, means he want to do surgery, but to do surgery is impossible. He can't do surgery at all. But in that case, we use this arterial embolization. So this process is very, very much helpful. Why it is helpful? Because it relieves the symptoms of the kidney cancer or the kidney tumor that occur in a patient. Understand? फिर से मैं एक बार हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. आर्टेरियल एम्बोलाइजेशन क्या है? आर्टेरियल एम्बोलाइजेशन ये एक लोकल थेरेपी है जो हमारा ट्यूमर का साइज को छोटा करवा देता है जब सर्जरी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं होता है. जब सर्जरी मींस व्हेन अ पर्सन कैन नॉट अंडरगो सर्जरी, तब ये प्रोसेस ये थेरेपी अप्लाई किया जाता है. और इसका यूजफुलनेस क्या है? Means this will relieve the symptoms of the kidney cancer. वो किडनी का जो symptoms है ना, जो बहुत सारा उसका clinical feature मैंने जो explain किया था ना, वो सब symptoms को वो कम कर देता है, reduce कर देता है. That is the process of arterial embolization. Do you understand? Student, you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me right now if you have any doubts. Anyone? Rudolph, you understand? Rudolph,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Okay. Can you please explain for everyone or for all your friends? Wait, what is arterial embolization according to you? No need to say the exact one, but just according to your understand and according to how you understand. What is arterial embolization? Just now I have explained. You say, according to you. Say, Rudolph. If the answer is not perfect, also if you have any idea or not, you just say. Rudolph, say. Rudolph, say. Surajit bolo. Jaldi bolo.
Okay, ma'am.
Bolo.
When surgery is not possible,
Yes.
then
Then
surgeon make our tumors smaller in size.
हाँ, ट्यूमर को छोटा करवाने के लिए ये वाला प्रोसेस, ये वाला थेरेपी या फिर ये वाला मैनेजमेंट अप्लाई किया जाता है, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Rudolph. Okay. Rudolph, I will ask you again at last. Listen carefully.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is very, very, like easy, and I have explained in very easy way so that you won't get any confused. So just listen nicely. What is next is cytoreductive nephrectomy. These like cytoreductive nephrectomy. What is cytoreductive nephrectomy? Cytoreductive nephrectomy involves removal of most of the primary tumor from the kidney. That means this process will involve removal of most of the primary tumor from the kidney. So this is the process of cytoreductive nephrectomy. This is very easy. From the lining itself, like from the words itself, you can understand. Means most of the primary tumor, जो छोटा छोटा ट्यूमर है ना, प्राइमरी ट्यूमर, नॉट द सेकेंडरी ट्यूमर, जो वो सबको रिमूव कर देता है, तो देर आर प्रेजेंट इन आवर किडनी, तो उसको बोलते हैं साइटोरिडक्टिव नेफ्रेक्टोमी. And then the other is there is also a like apart from all the surgery and all, now you will find the like biological therapy. So what is biological therapy? So in biological therapy, biological therapy uses the body's natural ability, that is हमारा जो immune system है, that is used in order to fight the cancer. So it uses the body natural ability, that is immune system, to fight the cancer, and that therapy is known as biological therapy. You understand what is biological therapy? It uses what? Biological therapy uses what? To fight the cancer, it uses what? Our body immune system. So, Sujana, can you please tell me what is biological therapy? What is biological?
It uses body's ability, that is immune system, to fight against cancer.
Yes, that is the therapy. That is the simplest one. The other one, hormone therapy. Hormone therapy. Have you heard this? Hormone therapy? Have you ever heard what is hormone therapy? Anyone? Have you ever heard what is hormone therapy? If you are silent, I will think that you know very well. You know very well. Do you know what is hormone? Okay, okay. Means hormone therapy. What hormone are present in our this body? You know now, like hormone therapy means like, you know, like this is not that much important, but still, like I will let me explain what to say. Like hormones, like what? Do you know estrogen? You know estrogen, progesterone. Do you know? Hello, do you know what is estrogen, progesterone? All these are hormone, isn't it? I think you all know, right? Hormone, do you know what is estrogen, progesterone? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Estrogen, progesterone, and tamoxifen therapy, all these means, you know, like it has been used in the past. In the past, not nowadays. It has been used in the past in order to treat kidney cancer. All these estrogen, progesterone, all this therapy, now all these hormones are being used in the past in order to treat the kidney cancer that has already spread. The kidney cancer that has already spread. And then what to say, like kidney cancer, these are not like hormone dependent, okay? They are not like hormone dependent or else hormone responsive. Means, but however, like some people will find hormone therapy very, very effective in reducing the symptoms of anorexia, all this and all. It's not much important, but I'm just explaining a little bit. So next you will find is radiation therapy. Have you ever had the radiation therapy? Have you ever heard what is radiation therapy? Cancer. किसी का कैंसर होने से तो सुनेगा radiation therapy. Have you ever heard what is radiation therapy? Anyone have any idea? Rudolph, do you have any idea what is radiation therapy? Radiation therapy
No,
को
ma'am.
simply radiotherapy भी बोला जाता है. तो to whom, Ila Sara, do you have any idea what is radiation therapy? It is very common. You have any idea? If no, Mercy will help you.
I have an idea, but I can't explain, ma'am.
It means according to you, like you have idea, isn't it? But you can't explain, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Mercy, you have any idea about this radiation therapy? It is very common, even though I will be explaining, but still I'm asking with advance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is radiation therapy like according to you?
It is a therapy which is used to kill the cells, the cancer cells in the body with the help of beam of lights emitted from device.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, it is correct. Means like now, like all of you listen, like radiation therapy. Now it is like a type of, it is a type of cancer treatment. Okay, ये भी cancer treatment है, ये cancer therapy है. So that uses a beam of intense energy to kill the cancer cell. वो beam of light, beam of intense energy, बहुत high energy use करेगा यहाँ पे in order to kill the cancer cell. So radiation therapy most often uses like X-ray and also like proton or other types of energy also are used. And you can simply call this radiation therapy as radiotherapy. और तुम simply ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, हाँ, this radiation therapy ऐसा therapy है that uses the high energy radiation from X-ray, gamma rays, neutron, proton, and other sources in order to kill the cancer cell as well as shrink the tumor. तो तुम ऐसा भी लिखना चाहती हो लिख सकती हो. You can also write radiation therapy. It uses a high energy radiation from X-ray, gamma rays, neutron, proton, and other sources to kill cancer cell as well as shrink the tumor. So this is the meaning of radiation therapy. Srijana, time is running out. You just keep taking attendance, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And after my class, you just it's only 10:12. After my class, you with that same link, all of you join again. Okay, after 10 minutes, we will discuss about the CRD, which will be held on 28th for sessional, and after that we'll be ending the class. Next is the chemotherapy. Chemotherapy, no need to explain. Every one of you know what is chemotherapy. Okay, these all are the management. That these are all the management of tumor of the kidney. Okay, now let us revise back whatever we have discussed today. This is the end of tumor of the kidney. First of all, to whom will I ask? I will ask. Hey, Rudolph. Rudolph, now can you please tell me what are the 3 subtypes that I gave for nephrectomy that comes under nephrectomy? Number first was radical. Rudolph, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. One is radical nephrectomy. Okay, one is radical nephrectomy. The other one was?
Partial.
Okay, okay, correct. Partial. And the other one was? One more was there.
And
let me give me example.
simple.
Yes, yes. Simple. Simple nephrectomy. Okay, these 3 are the one. Okay, okay. Very good. Okay. All of you clear about this, right? Nephrectomy? All this? Marcy, are you clear all these things? Radical nephrectomy, simple nephrectomy, partial nephrectomy.
Yes, ma'am.
Virginia, Ilasara, Malvina, Girija, everyone, all of you. I can't pronounce all your name. All of you,
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
this? Ishan, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Bishal, Bishal,
Yes,
where is
ma'am.
Bishal? Bishal? Bishal sleeping. Bishal sleeping. Okay, okay. Next, arterial embolism. I think I don't need to repeat all these things. I have explained very nicely. And then cytoreductive nephrectomy here also, like most of the primary tumor will be removed from the kidney. And biological therapy I have explained, hormone therapy I have explained, radiation therapy to explain, chemotherapy everyone know. Okay, only 7 minutes left. Anyone have any question, whatever we have discussed today? If you have question, ask me now, I will explain again and again. Anyone, any question? Say yes or no. Anyone have any question? Srijana, you have question regarding the management, whatever we have discussed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What about other? Darshana, you have question? Darshana. Darshana, okay, okay. Shelly, you have question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, who have question? Say. Who have question? Finisa, Nafishisa, you understand? Nafishisa? Nafishisa,
ma'am.
you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Uh, Rasmi, you understand? Rasmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I never asked Rasmi, na? Next time I will ask. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this much we'll discuss today. Only 5 minutes left. So Jenna, keep on taking attendance. Let us see what. Rasmi, what were the risk factor? Risk factor of this tumor of the kidney? Can you please tell me only one? Only one. Rasmi, only one. Ilasara, help Rasmi. Ilasara, help Rasmi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you help her. What are the
Yes,
risk factors? Say fast.
ma'am. High blood pressure, 60 is above.
Okay. And other? What about smoking?
Ma'am, smoking means are
Obesity?
ma'am.
Let me revise again, okay? Advanced age, it is most common in those who are 60 years or above. And then men are at more risk than women. And again, smoking and obesity are also the risk factor. And then again, if those who are exposed to asbestos, cadmium, all these things, and those who have means already kidney failure before in the past, if they have been treated for kidney failure in the past, all those. And then the other one was what? Those who have high blood pressure. I have given only 5. It's very easy. Don't forget all this. All this I will give you in your exam, in your second sessional exam, not the first. Benign tumor, I have explained. All this benign tumor and all, everything I have explained. Then after that, I've explained about the malignant tumor also. I will be sending you all the PDF today, and after reading the PDF, you still have any doubts, then you can ask me.
Okay.
Okay, after we end, you please join again, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.